That's the thing. And I've had this conversation with people in the past. There's all sorts of different types of ad managers, right? Let's just classify me at this moment as an ad manager. I like to consider myself a customer acquisition specialist, but a lot of people consider us just ad managers, right?
Sure.
But ad managers all act differently. I'm someone that you would come to with let's just say a pre-existing sales funnel or sales process that is working, but you haven't figured out how to scale yet. You want to go from making $100,000 a month to $500,000 a month. I'm your guy. You want to go from $10,000 to $50,000? I'm still your guy. You're looking to scale. I have a process for scaling, for growing a business further than what you thought was possible. Then you have other ad managers who are great at going from zero to whatever that may be, because they're the types of people who have that creative process, or they're willing to go through the trenches with you to build whatever it is you need to build. Not saying I'm not that guy. I just know my strong suit. I know where I'm a best fit. So in the beginning, you might find an ad manager that's like, you got zero, brand new webinar, brand new sales page, brand new service, whatever that may be. They love that. That's what they thrive off of. That's what they love to be a part of, is the growing process of going from zero to hero, right? I just want to take your stuff from where you are to that next level. And so really, when you're talking to an ad manager, really get to know them a little bit more and see, where do they handle stress better? In the beginning, when you need to turn around things in 30 or 60 days and really get money moving? Or are they the type of person that's going to be more confident when you have something that's a little bit successful and you want to take it to that next level?